Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. So in this video I will show you how to auto walk in Pokemon Go using DeFit. So before we start, I would like to talk about GoDex. Now GoDex is an excellent Pokemon Go Discord server. It has everything from 100 IV Pokemon cards to shiny hunt sessions and also amazing giveaways. So the link is in the description. Go ahead and join it now. So in this video I'll show you all the necessary steps required to get DeFit running on your device, and you can then hatch all your eggs extremely quickly and get those buddy candies as quick as possible. So let's get to the phone screen and start the guide. So guys, here I am on my phone screen with the application that you need for getting those adventure-sync kilometers, those hundreds of kilometers done in almost no time, without spoofing and without hacking, and of course without rooting your phone. So all you need is a simple application called DeFit, which is a debugger of fitness application. So let's open the app, and as you can see I'm here on my DeFit application. It is a very simple one-page interface. So first of all, you need to enter your Google account, which is linked with your Pokemon Go and your Google Fit. So you need basically three applications, which is Pokemon Go, of course, Google Fit, which is required to record kilometers to Adventure Sync, and thirdly you need your DeFit app. So DeFit manipulates the kilometers in Google Fit, so it does not hamper your Pokemon Go settings, so you are not getting banned for doing this trick. So all you need to do is first enter your Google account and let it get the permissions. Just click OK for all, and then you'll get this kind of a screen. So you'll get four settings, which are the syncing, the active time, the speed, and the behavior. So let's start from the bottom. We have the behavior here, and you need to check it to human. It should previously be human, and you need to let it be human. Don't bring it to stable. And after that you need to get to speed, and you can get it down to 4 kilometers per hour or 10.5. So to get the most out of Adventure Sync, you need to keep it at 10.5, which is the maximum speed. And you cannot go above 10.5, because if your speed is set to be above 10.5, Google Fit will not record kilometers for your phone, and it will not record the distance. Hence you'll not get the egg distance that you need to get, or the Adventure Sync distance that you're hoping to get for the Stardust, for the rare candies, or for anything that you want. So once you get the speed to 10.5, which is the highest, you need to close DeFit, open Pokemon Go. Now once you're opening Pokemon Go, you need to close Adventure Sync. So you need to uncheck the box where Adventure Sync is, so that it's able to re-log in with the DeFit app. So once you have unchecked Adventure Sync in the settings in the Pokemon Go app, open DeFit again, and you need to look at the active time. It should be around 120 to 200 minutes, and you can click on the add button right here, which it'll show you around a 30 second to a 15-second ad. And once that ad is done, you'll get 250 more minutes, and this will keep on going until you get 600 minutes, which is 10 hours of DeFit time. So if it is 10 hours of DeFit times, that means 10.5 kilometers per hour, and that is 105 kilometers for every 10 hours you run DeFit. And when DeFit is running, you can also play Pokemon Go during that time, but that time it won't record the kilometers. But once you close the app, remove it from your recent, it'll get on collecting Adventure Sync distance. So once you've done that, all you need to do is check the sync one, which is the first setting. You need to check it, and it'll show you this setting that data will be syncing soon, and it'll not take a minute or so before the data is synced, and it'll keep on syncing every 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll keep on getting kilometers. So once you have started the DeFit app, all you need to do is open Pokemon Go, check the Adventure Sync, make sure it is switched on, and then remove Pokemon Go from your recent so that it keeps on getting the adventure sync distance, and that is how easy it is to get the distance of adventure sync. So what this does is basically it changes the amount of distance that you walk in the Google Fit app, and Pokemon Go takes the distance from the Google Fit app, so you get a lot of kilometers from this. Again, you need to keep the behavior at human speed at the maximum because that's the most helpful, and you can get around 600 minutes of the active time, and you'll always need to keep the latest sync active. So guys, a few important things that you need to know is that for a 2-kilometer egg you will need to wait 12 minutes. For a 5-kilometer egg you'll need to wait 30 minutes. For a 7-kilometer egg you'll need to wait 45 minutes, and for a 10-kilometer egg you'll need to wait for an hour. And as the distance is half for this event, you will be able to hatch eggs half the time with half the time required. So yeah, one more thing is that your Pokemon Go application needs to be closed while you're running this application for hatching eggs. Also, this method lets you get those buddy candies, but remember there is a cap to the buddy candies, and you cannot earn more than 100 kilometer worth of buddy candies per day. So for example, if it's a Mewtwo that you're running and it earns candies 20 kilometers per one candy, then you can only earn around 4 to 5 candies per day. So if you want to stock up on candies with this method, you'll need to remember this. So for example, if it's a 1-kilometer Pokemon, you'll be able to earn around 100 candies per day, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you need to keep that in mind, and that is basically it for the video. Go hatch those eggs, go get that shiny Riolu and shiny Lucario, and if you're lucky, that shiny Flower Pichu and Flower Togepi. So that's it for the video guys. Please do not forget to subscribe if this helps you, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Share this video with your friends if you want them to get those Riolus too. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and that's it guys, peace out.